how to enable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you want to provide an extra layer of security on Messenger, then you can enable end-to-end encryption. For that, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here select a conversation where you would like to add end-to-end encryption. You can also use the search bar at the top to find the person whom you are searching. Now once you find the person, you need to tap on the person's name to open the chat page. And once you are on the chat page, here at the top you will find I button. Tap on this I button at the top right and it will open the chat settings. Here you need to scroll down and under more actions, you will find Go to Secret Conversation option. You need to tap on this option first and then at the bottom you can see you have successfully enabled end-to-end encryption. Now after you have enabled end-to-end encryption, all the messages sent in this chat will be encrypted end-to-end. That means only you and the recipient can read them. Not even the Facebook can access the content of these messages. Also, if you start a secret conversation or end-to-end encryption on one device, it won't be accessible from another device. This helps you to keep your messages secure. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.